Are you wondering what to do if your TV has no picture, but for example if you press something on the remote, you can maybe hear some sound, so essentially the TV is working, just that it doesn't show anything on the screen. So there are a few things that we can do to try to revive our TV. So first, what you want to do, you want to simply take the power lead of your TV and unplug it from electricity completely. Okay, make sure it's completely out. Then on the bottom of your TV you want to find its power button. For example, on this TV I have the power button here. On some TVs maybe it's in the middle or somewhere on the bottom, so you simply want to see where you have the power button. Then with it being plugged out of electricity, you want to simply click and hold this power button. This power button can also be used to kind of soft reset the TV, and you want to hold it for roughly a minute. It will also discharge all the static energy from the TV and also release energy from the capacitors inside the TV. So you literally want to hold it for around a minute while it's being unplugged from electricity. Once a minute is up, I suggest to actually not plug in electricity yet. Maybe wait another 5 minutes, so after you do that initial holding, before you actually plug it into electricity. So again, wait 5 minutes and then plug it back and see then if your TV works, if you turn it on. And if it still doesn't work, then there is one more thing that you can try to do. So simply look at the back of your TV, and if you have something plugged in the back of your TV, you simply want to remove it. For example, I have the HDMI cable here, and also I have flash drive, for example. So again, you want to remove completely everything from the ports, including the antenna if you have it connected. And also, make sure your power cable actually is properly seated inside. These power cables, if you actually move your TV, like to come out on their own. So you want to verify that it's pushed in all the way in. If it's not, it might cause some problems on your TV as well. And with everything out, I suggest to do the power cycling again. So plug it out of electricity and again hold the power button for roughly a minute and then try to turn it on and see if it works then. And if you do all that and if it still doesn't work, then most likely the backlight simply has gone bad on your TV. So this is actually quite a common problem on pretty much most manufactured TVs. So with time, especially if it's older TV, the backlight might simply burn out essentially and simply become faulty. There's a quick way how to test if that's also the case. So if you simply grab a fairly bright flashlight, so if the TV is kind of on and you hear some sounds coming from the TV, you want to take the flashlight and literally shine at the TV in around this angle, and you want to see if you can maybe see any menus or something on the TV. So if the backlight goes bad on the TV, you essentially won't be able to see anything on the TV, but it still will be running in the background. But if you take a flashlight, you might see some very, very faint image, maybe some menus on your screen, so simply look all over. If that's the case, then unfortunately the backlight probably has gone bad on your TV, and unfortunately that's also quite a costly repair as well. Okay, good luck.